What's up, guys? Same day as the end of the last video, and we back with another one. What you got to say? Nothing. Floor drain. I try to clean up before and after every job, and during if it get too bad. Because like I said, I still got to get on this floor, so definitely trying to keep it clean. But once I swap Jrock truck, I'm moving the Tahoe here, and then I'm gonna be installing the lift. But for now, about to push this truck in. Old lady might not always be here, so what I did was bought this here winch adapter mounting bracket piece. Let me show y'all. So I got this winch adapting plate right here. So I'm gonna end up mounting this back here, not all the way in the back of the floor, but probably about, say, a foot away from the floor, and then it'll be for both of these bays. So if I have something that don't run and need to go on the lift, I can pull it with that. And then something that needs some other work that don't run or something like that, like in this case the C10, and pull it this way with the lift. I mean with the winch. But the winch is on my trailer, and I got some anchor bolts for this. It'll be removable. The studs will stick up, whatever. It'll be fine. But this whole plate, I just take up and put down whenever I need to, and just put a battery on there. The same battery that I've been playing with in the box Chevy. Yeah, the same battery I've been playing with in the box Chevy. That's my winch battery. But other than that, man, we about to push the C10 up here. One day after the lift is installed and I got some free time and I'm close to finish on the Tahoe, then I'll be mounting that winch plate. Unless it's like a rainstorm or tornado warning, they let us off work early and I got some free time, then I'll put it in. But other than that, man, I'm about to go ahead. I'm about to go ahead and put this C10 in here, and then I'm gonna bust the fenders down, take the hood off, and then gotta do some house stuff and some homework. But I'll be continuing the video tomorrow after what y'all see for today. And yeah, just stay tuned.
Hey Neil, turn this bitch up.
Time for a haircut. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, we are back again. Hey, my wife always talking. It can't be that hard pushing up a car, blah, blah, blah. I just worked her. I ain't tell I had I ain't tell I had to come along. I waited like a whole 30-40 minutes before I said so. I was struggling too though, I ain't gonna lie. But it was more funny because she always telling me what I don't need, and boy, you spending some money to save some time, you might as well take your time. And I'm trying to tell her, like, hey, I'm gonna hurt myself. I can't keep doing this. But yeah, that's the official last time I'm pushing the car up the driveway. I showed y'all the winch. But anyway, here we go. We got Jrock C10 right here. Engine bay is clean and painted. We've been clean and painted this, mounted the motor. It was a V6 truck, so we was thinking that we could use the V6 motor mounts and make them work with the truck, but that was definitely not an option. The reason why, let me see if I can show y'all. I think one side lined up and then one side didn't line up completely, but as you can see here, it's sort of close, but it's just not where it need to be exactly. Jrock sprayed this motor and he ain't rinsed it off, so y'all see all this build up on it. I think this was the problem side over here. But I don't really remember, man. It's been so long. Been so long. Yeah, I showed him how to put that AC on there too. You got that AC. But we got some custom mounts that we ordered from eBay. I know the part number levels are coming. There's no part number to these mounts. These are just some universal LSX mountain brackets that somebody made or make and sell on eBay. So this is what we got. So these mount to the motor, and then these two mount to the frame. Or I was thinking, man, if we could go to the junkyard, and I believe if we get some small block Chevy, let me turn my light on, small block Chevy or any C10 Suburban, anything frame, because these are like all similar. So see this, if we swap them from V6 to V8, it should sit where we need it to sit. But I mean, that was a risk to take. So I just said, hey, let's just see. I mean, let's just get some motor mounts, universal, mount them to the motor, and then mount that to the frame. I mean, and that should work too. So I gotta take the inner fenders out, inner fenders off, and jack the motor up, put the mounts on, tack them in place, and then may have to take the motor out, not out, but up in the air, and dismount the frame just to weld them in like 100% good. But I feel like I could do the welding part in one day. Shouldn't be too much. Like I said, I gotta take these fenders off. I plan on doing that tonight. Like I said, I don't think it's gonna be too much, but like I said, I still gotta take these inner fenders and the fenders off, and then assess and see what I have. Because I actually forgot every single detail about what the last step. I know we had a level on here and was trying to see what we could do, but that was our option, the universal mounts. So we're gonna mount them to the motor, take the LSX adapters off and the original motor mounts off, dismount the motor mounts from the frame, and then see what we got. So we should have what we need. Once I mount it up, everything lines up, clean up the paint, tack the welds in. And that's why I made the welding cart. For those who didn't watch, the welding cart is for this job, for the first time here at this location at the house. So I'm gonna hook up the gas. Gonna have some good welding going on. So I don't know if he's gonna keep this set up like this or he's gonna upgrade eventually, but it is coming back after this turbo job once I get my skills up. And just to let y'all know, for those who wanna go faster than normal, I'm not saying I'll be on race cars, but I can make your car faster. Definitely stay tuned and don't wait till you see me making cars fast already to want to get your car in to go fast, because that's that point, that's when the price go up. I just want to let y'all know that's when the price go up. So be ready.
I love getting them from your videos.
Yeah, I know you do, because you always trying to do my video. So cute.
Thank you.
But anyway, about to start doing what the rest of what we have to do. And I'm gonna close out this video for now. Come back in here tonight, dismount these fenders and inner fenders. Well, I'll catch up with y'all. Be back. What's up, guys? We back on Jrock C10. Just made this table for the house. Took some of my time up, and I had to run to Home Depot, Walmart. I had to go a lot of places today, so I only put in about 2-3 hours in the garage. Came here about 9 o'clock, 8 something. It's 11:30. I ain't put in too much today, but got the inner fenders out. Man, them inner fenders pretty quick on this, boy. I took them out probably about 5 minutes each. And then I got a Ziploc bag. I gotta put all these fender bolts in. But putting this light down here, or the mount to the body of the frame, and then the other one's to mount to the motor. So I believe this side lined up, because this side looked like a regular small block Chevy mount. Alright. But it don't line up from afar. So you see here, it's a hole, and on this mount, we ain't got nothing that line up close to that. So the options, like I said, was custom mounts, swap these for the V8, or make this line up and push the transmission back, which would cost more money and more time building a cross member. So that just wouldn't be smart. But we trying to stick some long tube headers on here. I got some. I think I left them in my van. Hopefully not. But hopefully they outside in storage. So I'm gonna dismount these mounts and dismount the adapter plates, and then mount what I have, and we'll see. We'll see how it look. I'm only gonna try on one side tonight. Over here and on here. This one here worked, but it's nothing at the bottom in that same spot, like right there. It's nothing right there. And like I say, we could have possibly moved this forward, but from the way it was looking, it just don't look possible to do without doing some hacking. You know, we ain't with the hackness. So I just said the universal, because the way these motor mount bracket pieces that's on the truck are, you can't really, they bolted, they ain't welded in. So I don't know, like, all right, let me see something. All right, I'm back. So I had to cut the universal mounts down, but it's looking pretty promising, man. The motor is kind of shifted a little bit, so I'm gonna have to measure both sides and shake it and make sure it's in place before I tack it. But do the other side same way. Hopefully everything is good. That front one is pretty close to me, but like I say, it's pushed over this way some. So when it shifts and they are even, this side should push back just a little bit. So I mean, I'm fine with that, but I feel like it should go back just a little bit more, just a little bit more. Drop y'all boys and girls, men and women, some good content. But like I say, man, I just try to do what I can little by little. I feel like I used to be overworking myself, man. Now it's fun again. It's fun again, man. I be having a good time. But I was so pressured on getting my name out there and trying to be chip fools. I'm realizing like everybody ain't gonna be top dog, you know. But now I just have fun with it. And now that I'm having fun with it and enjoying it, it's better. My name is really getting out there, and I'm not really forcing it. But like I said, I'm just gonna keep working, uploading stuff, you know. Alright. Old lady just came. What you think? What you think you about to see?
I'm not sure. I'm not even sure what you were doing in here. So.
I was doing some custom stuff.
Oh, really?
Alright, look at that. Tell me what you think. Alright, look at the other side. This side.
Yeah, I was just about to say. I'm like,
you don't know what you're looking at, I'm sure.
Yeah. Just look like a chunk missing.
That's what that side look like. It don't really bolt up.
Okay.
But that's what it look like.
Okay. Let me look at the other side again.
6.5 hours later.
Oh, you replaced it?
Boy, yeah, if you don't get customers.
Okay. Now I see.
And then they gotta get welded in.
Welded where?
On the metal piece.
Oh, okay. To what, make it stay?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay. Now I see what you did. How did you get that out?
I lift the motor up with the jack. You see the jack under there?
Wow, you did that very fast.
Yeah.
And I wouldn't have never.
About 30 minutes.
I think it was less than that.
Both
I didn't even watch the
fenders.
whole episode.
Unmount the original motor mounts, the plates, and record.
It might not have been 30 minutes because I didn't watch a whole episode of what I'm watching upstairs. So
I think that's gonna be clean.
it's gonna be. I know it's gonna be clean.
All right, y'all, we out.
What do you